Okay, today, Brad, we're going to show you, the audience,
Yes?
the top 3 ways, three, that
I go like this
use.
because my fingers don't
Sure.
work like that either.
3 ways for me to perform muscle recovery when they get sore.
So you're saying you personally?
Me, right.
Well,
My top 3.
I think that it's worth exploring.
Is that clear?
Bob and Brad, the 2 most famous physical therapists on the internet.
All right, Brad, number 1. This is a strange one.
Would you?
So-
Yeah, I know what you're going to say. It's almost sadistic.
Yeah, it is a little bit. I call it the half and half cold shower.
Yeah.
So I take a normal hot shower
Yep.
for about 3 minutes,
Yep.
shampoo and everything, and then I flip it down to go cold for the last 3 minutes.
Yeah.
But I can't do my whole body. I
Right.
hate cold. Absolutely hate it.
I feel
So
better about
I
that.
just do the lower half of my body.
So you're recovering the muscles
From the legs.
waist down.
Right.
All right.
And I can handle that for some reason.
So this
I
is
do
like
the front and
this
the back.
is like that one guy who jumped in the water and swam under the ice.
Right.
What's his
Wim Hof.
Wim Hof. Yeah. Good
No,
job.
it works really well.
Yeah. And well, I've heard of like a football player, Reggie White. He played for
Right.
that professional football team, Packers.
They take.
Unlike the Vikings. Anyways, yeah, he would jump in ice water
Yeah.
after a game or a practice.
I
Whatever.
see a lot of athletes do that.
Yeah, they've got issues also.
The second thing I do, Brad,
Yes.
is I use a massage gun.
Yes.
You want to demonstrate the
Yeah,
one I use?
absolutely. We'll use this one. It's called the EM19. It's a nice one.
Now available at Walmart.
Walmart. Wow. We got other
In
ones
some
too.
Walmart
Yeah.
stores.
Yep, it says Bob and Brad on there because we do like it. We've used it. We've given it the ultimate test. But if you're going to use, if your hamstrings, like my hamstrings need it, I'm going to go, I usually go in a seated position like this, and I'll work it back and forth.
So yeah, I do it before I work out.
You do?
Right?
Yep.
And then I do it at night before I
Oh,
go
really?
to bed. Yes. It's nice and relaxing. It allows me to sleep. It's a good time to do it.
Can I show them the other options?
Sure.
The tricks of the trade, if you will.
Sure.
You can put something slippery on the floor. If you happen to have a knee guard, you do that. And then we're going to floss.
Oh, sure.
Wow.
While
you do it.
you're applying the massage.
Yep. So this actually works more fibers of those
All
muscles.
creative.
Yeah, I didn't create it. Who was it that Kelly Starr? Yeah. Now the other nice way. This is the way I like to do it all, because I'm kind of lazy, and if I can do anything laying down, I'm going to do it. Put your feet up on the countertop or on your furniture, and then this allows the muscle to completely relax, and then I can get really deep in there. And,
Now, this is a very strong gun.
it is
Powerful.
I can't stall it.
Right.
And
If
I'm
you-
strong like bull.
You can go to walmart.com and buy it, or you can also go to, we got 500 stores. So you look for the list in our website, bobandbrad.com.
Maybe we can get a Bob and Brad store someday.
Yeah.
And don't forget your calves, your quads.
Moo.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah, there it is. I'm
All
having
right.
fun, Bob. You can carry
All right.
on.
Let's leave. The third thing, Brad, is sleep. This is probably the most important thing. Your muscles have to recover.
Right.
And you got to give them time to do so. So I like to give the example of LeBron James.
What does he do?
He sleeps. He's a basketball player.
Oh, basketball. Yeah.
So-
My daughter used to play it.
Oh, good for her. So he sleeps an average of 12 hours a day.
Yeah.
9 at night and a 3-hour nap. Can you imagine?
Really?
Yeah. On game day.
Oh, on a game day. Yeah. Yeah.
So that shows you.
You're after the game, you mean?
No, I think
Before.
the game,
Yeah,
right?
to get prepped. Actually,
Right.
that makes sense too.
So
It is really. Sleep is so critical.
that's right.
It's for health, for muscles.
Don't
for
fall
everything.
asleep while watching us.
No kidding. Maybe we could do that. Watch Bob and Brad for good sleep.